All right, so we are out at Vivid Shores today, and we're going to look at several of the floor plans. And I'll tell you what, this community is absolutely just launched amazingly well. Unbelievable sales that are happening in the just beginning weeks of the property launching. And so today with me, I have Tyler Meek from Pulte. He's going to be bringing us through the floor plans, help us understand what all is offered here in Vivid Shores. So let's jump into it. So Tyler, tell me about what makes Vivid Shores special. What makes this community special?
Yeah, I think there's a few things in there, but the biggest part of this community that makes it so special is, I think, the boatable lakes.
Yeah.
Right now, we're on Lake Capri, beautiful turquoise color water. It is boatable, so homeowners can have their own boat dock and boat behind their homes if they do live on the big lake.
That's awesome. And we're going to start off with
We're going to start with the Aventura. This is part of our Sapphire series. It's a 3-car garage. It's a little bit over 2,600 square feet. It shows as a single story, but you can make this a 2-story if you would like. And at that point in time, it's called an Aventura Grand.
Okay, that's awesome. And this is by Pulte Homes. So Vivid Shores has both Pulte Homes and stock luxury homes that are part of it. And what I can say is, being through a lot of different stock and Pulte communities over time, these two builders have really just done an amazing job of updating all of the floor plans, the upgrades that are already built into the properties are some that I've never seen in any other community, and it's just something special. I'm pretty excited to show it. All right, so here's what you can expect as we walk into the Aventura. Again, Pulte has 3 different model homes within the community. This is the sales center and the model home.
With our Sapphire series, you can expect double door entry.
And give us an overview of the floor plan.
Yeah, so this is 2,658 square feet. It is 3 beds, 3.5 baths. You do have an office as well. You have a nice sized lanai, but once you enter, you'll notice the double tray with the coffer ceiling. That comes included with this floor plan. You also get a tray in the foyer and in the owner's suite, but it's coupled by 10-foot sliders, 8-foot solid core doors. You can see just even the trim or the baseboards, 7.25. So everything's very upscale the moment that you walk into one of our floor plans here at Vivid Shores.
So as we talk about the boatability of the community, we're over 1,000 acres of total property. Large majority of that is lakes. Is every lake boatable?
Every lake is not boatable. So we have 3 lakes. 2 of the lakes will be boatable. The lake furthest north, that is not boatable. We don't own all of the land around that, and that's the reason why. Okay. It is a large lake though, so homeowners will have a gorgeous, breathtaking, deep water view. That lake is about 190 acres.
All right, beautiful. So some of the features that are in this home, I mean, obviously you have a large kitchen island for entertaining. And then talk to me about this wine room, because it's incredible. And I know we've got some reflections that we're working with here.
So this is a great question. I'm glad that you brought that up. So in our models, we do things for inspirational purposes. So this wine rack is not a feature that we offer. It's just to inspire people, some of the options they can do once they close on their brand new home. And we can always get people connected with the vendors that we've used or worked with to help decorate our models. But homeowners can expect a nook in this area. So if you want to replicate this to a nice wine display, have a nice piece of furniture there, you have some ample space in order to do that as well.
Well, I can tell you there's going to be a lot of people who do that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Once you see it and see how well it fits into that space, that is absolutely going to be something that a lot of people do.
So your 10-foot sliders, they all pocket. This is how the home comes. Now this is your included lanai space. very spacious layout. And you'll see on the Madeira Grand model, there is an outdoor living option. So you're extending the cover of the lanai quite a bit with that option, and that's offered with this floor plan.
Yeah, and this obviously we've got the outdoor kitchen that's built in here. Beautiful picture frame window for this lanai cage.
One thing that I really love about this floor plan is you have your pool bath right here, but it also kind of doubles as an ensuite for the bedroom on the other side of this wall. So if you have guests, they can lock the pool bath. It's an ensuite just for them. If you're outside grilling out, hanging out by the pool, you have the convenience of a pool bath right there with easy access.
Yeah, it's really nice. People aren't tromping through the house. Yeah, the tray ceilings, you know, in here, those step up to probably 12, is that right?
So ceiling height right above us is approximately 11.4, and then each tray is about a foot. So yeah.
Okay, fantastic. All right, we'll make our way into the owner's suite. I know we've got music playing, and it's just the tranquility though, it just feels amazing. So one of the things that I want to point out is just the natural light that comes into this room is incredible. With the, you know, you've got 9 panels of windows just on the rear of the home. And then each of the side windows, I mean, those are like, what are those, 8, 9 feet tall, something like that.
Yeah, they're probably 8 feet tall.
Yeah. Bathroom is exceptionally done.
This is one of 3 layouts for the owner's bath that we offer. You know, nice walk-in shower. This would be the standard size for what you see here, but you have an option to add a bathtub, which is a freestanding tub, or you can extend and do an enlarged shower, and the shower essentially goes from wall to wall. You get a rain shower head at that point in time, but
and that would be a massive. That would be a massive shower.
That would be a massive shower.
Love it. There is a linen closet. That's extraordinarily helpful. Water closet here, and then going into the owner's closet. It is exceptionally large, finished out, and then one thing to note, I think is absolutely brilliant, and I appreciate the designers of this. There's a door that goes right into the laundry room.
Yes. Makes that task so much easier on laundry day.
Absolutely. And then making our way back around. This would be our landing area from the garage. And if you have a really dirty child or a pet, this is a nice little added feature for a little doggy shower that's in this area here. All right, coming back out towards the kitchen, pantry here, large walk-in pantry, and then we are right back out into the main living area. So built-in bar, so they have an additional beverage refrigerator over here. This built-in is separate, correct?
Correct. This is optional. So if not, just how you see where the wine display is, this would be a nook. However, if you want to add cabinets, counters, upper cabinets, the uppers are an option, but you would get a beverage fridge or a wine cooler as an option for there.
Love it. So back towards the entry, this is our den, our office. Right on this, we have the double French door. Nice storage. It actually has a closet in here. So could be utilized as another bedroom if needed. Okay, we have our powder bath here at the front. Guest bedroom. Now this is the bedroom what Tyler was mentioning has the ensuite bath, which doubles as the pool bath.
And it's nice. There is a pocket door separating the pool bath as well from the bedroom. So
You can really close that off. Yeah, good point. So this pocket door can close there.
we've got one more bedroom, bathroom right up here.
So we're 3.5 total baths,
3.5.
which is really nice. And then our third guest suite. Very well done. So everything is walk-in closet. Every bedroom has a dedicated full bath, and then we have the powder. So really just fantastic for entertaining.
Your tub shower bathrooms, you can make those a walk-in shower. So that is an option that we offer as well.
So that does it for the Aventura floor plan. If you have any questions about this particular floor plan, or you want to have us mail you the floor plan, email you the floor plan, go to explorevividshores.com and we'll make sure that you get all that information and we can set up a time for you to come and see the community in person.